Let's get familiar with AI. This is the first video for our YouTube channel about artificial intelligence. We'll be providing you with exciting content on the subject, unlocking the potential of AI, and exploring its revolutionary impact on our lives. In this video, we will be discussing what AI is, its possible applications, and how experts are using AI to revolutionize many industries and ultimately make our lives easier. We hope you enjoy this journey with us as we uncover the world of artificial intelligence. To understand AI, we'll be exploring its many features and possibilities. We'll explain the different types of AI, such as machine learning and natural language processing, as well as their applications in various industries. We'll dive deep into how AI is being used to automate processes, develop more efficient ways of doing things, and create new opportunities. We'll also look at some of the ethical concerns surrounding AI and the potential implications it could have on humanity. We'll explore the implications of data privacy, autonomous decision-making, job displacement, and other looming issues with AI. Plus, we'll talk to experts about the role AI can play in helping us achieve our social, economic, and environmental goals to build a better future for all. Finally, we'll look at the impressive economic gains that AI can bring, from reducing costs to driving innovation. We'll also look at how it can help us address global challenges like poverty, hunger, disease, and climate change. We can't wait to share this amazing topic with you, so join us and learn even more about the potential of artificial intelligence to shape our world. We'll also be looking into AI's potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. We'll look at how it can help us unlock new levels of communication and collaboration, as well as its potential to extend human capabilities. We'll also explore ways in which AI can help promote creativity, innovation, and productivity in many different areas. Finally, we'll discuss the risks associated with AI and how we can mitigate them to ensure safe development and implementation. We'll look at how industry, governments, and citizens around the world can ensure ethical use of AI, as well as how to build trust with its audience. We hope this video will give you a better understanding of the incredible potential of AI, and inspire you to join us on our journey towards creating a better future with the help of this emerging technology. We hope that you have enjoyed this journey with us as we uncovered the world of artificial intelligence. With its revolutionary potential, AI is set to change our lives in many ways. We have explored the different features and applications of AI, looked at the ethical concerns surrounding it, and discussed its potential to revolutionize our lives. We've also looked at how AI can help promote creativity, innovation, and productivity in many different areas. We want to encourage everyone to get involved in the development of AI to ensure its ethical use and long-term success. By joining hands, we can make sure that AI is used for the betterment of humanity and to create a brighter future for us all. Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey.